Then it's only right I say I'm out. Yeah. Shark Tank is probably all this money or the cars only parking. I've been eating good.
Imagine 10,000 people on an email list, because these are real fans of yours. They join the email list because they want to be fans with you, and this will happen. You will have 10,000 people on an email list who open your emails because you care. You release a new t-shirt. The t-shirt costs $25. Okay, you have a $25 t-shirt. Hey guys, come check out my new t-shirt. It's new merchandise. And only 1 out of every 10 of those people buys a t-shirt. 1,000 people buy a t-shirt. That's 1 out of every 10 of your fans buy a t-shirt. What's 1,000 times $25? It's $25,000. Because you released a t-shirt and had an email list of 10,000 people. And only 1 out of every 10 people bought. Only 10% of people bought. You made 25 grand. Quit playing with me, bro. Quit playing. Do you see, I'm teaching us how to be a business. This is basic math. I'm not saying all 10,000 people are gonna buy. If only 500 of these people bought, you'd make $12,500. That's 5%, that's 1 out of every 20 people. If you don't get the rapid shortcut, you lost your damn mind. You only need, and this is why this is beautiful, is you only need 1,000, that's it, true fans. And that's why I need you to understand this, because anybody can make a living being a music artist. Anybody who has good enough music. You're thinking, Rob, 1,000 people, 1,000 fans, 1,000. You could have 1,000 followers on Instagram and be making more money than 99% of rappers out. You wanna know why? Because a true fan spends $100 out of their pocket every year. $100 on show tickets from you. How much is a show ticket? Say they buy 2 show tickets at $50. That's $30, okay? That means coming to 2 shows. When you come to town, they spend $30. A true fan will come to a show, right? But what else do they do? When they come to the show, they also buy, what do they do? They buy a t-shirt, because they're a true fan. They want to support you, they buy a t-shirt. How much is a t-shirt? $25, right? So they buy 2 shirts. So now 2 shirts, 25, that's 50. This person has now spent $80 already. Now, a real fan, believe it or not, will still buy an album from you. They'll buy your album because they support you. And if you release 1, 2 projects a year and they $10 each, say two projects, write CDs to make it easy. At $10 each, that is $100. And the chances are they'll actually buy more than 2 t-shirts. They'll buy a hat, they'll buy wristbands, they'll buy a bundle for $100 from you, okay? 1,000 of these people times 100. What's 1,000 times 100? It's $100,000.
What?
1,000 fans. That's doctor money. $100,000? Go buy a house money. 1,000 fans is all it takes. And that's why I show you how marketing works, okay? Because if you can get 1,000 of these people who love you, just 1,000, into this funnel, you can quit your job. You can start giving other people jobs. You can hire 2 assistants, okay? And that's why I show you this. This is the fan base formula. So you understand how this works. I actually go in there and I show you every single step how McDonald's works. I show you how McDonald's does this. And you'll know, and I use McDonald's as an example, because you know what McDonald's is. And you know how they work, and they use their things on you. Even down to the Monopoly game. I show you that, okay? And then I break it down for you as an artist and how it works for you. The same thing, how we build awareness, how we get them to engage, how we get them to convert into a paying customer, and then more importantly, how to retain them. Because what happens is this, is after you get those first 1,000 true fans, this number goes up every year. They're true fans, they ain't going nowhere. I got people from 2011, I ain't released music for 2 or 3 years. That motherfucker still got my name tattooed on them. Somebody got the same tattoos I got. Hardcore fan, hardcore, right? These people are still with me. They're true fans, they buy everything I release, okay? This eventually turns into, what's it turn into? This eventually turns into 10,000 true fans. How much is that? That adds another 0 in the end. Now you're talking about $1 million a year. Off of 10,000 fans, which you'll get to. You can get the whole purpose in this. You can get your first 1,000 true fans in the first year with the rapid shortcut. If your music is good and you listen to what I say and you're not lazy. God, I hope that recorded. I was like, please record that, because I was so passionately delivering that. Because this is the realest shit ever. I'm so excited to tell people about this. Because people don't think like this. I gotta have 1 million followers. Man, the people with 1 million followers ain't getting no money. And those people don't give a shit about those people. They're just watching them. I'd rather have 1,000 people sitting there caring about every move that I made than have 1 million people and only 50 people really actually care about me.
Then it's only right I say I'm out. Yeah. Shark Tank is probably all this money or the cars only parking. I've been eating good, stacking chips like a card game. Walk around knowing none of shit. shit like a fraud stamp. All my shit is new age, I'm new wave.